student leaders from there, and all very engaged, because the issues ranged everywhere from unemployment, what opportunities exist, and the issue of how we have shackled ourselves because of these insular borders. What was exciting to me is their own recognition that they are stronger together.
Was extremely strong and supportive. It caused a lot of excitement today.
He's a Pan-Africanist.
Yes. So I wanted just to say that he's not doing justice to himself, because he's not saying enough of what he has awakened today. It was quite a lot.
Very good. And they succeed because they have
Bigger markets.
bigger market. The more you sell, the more you expand. The more jobs you create. If you don't solve the issue of market, how will business expand? And you are just here, talking about nothing really. If you don't deal with the market is the stimulus. That's how United States became more prosperous than Latin America. Latin America has got a lot of natural resources. Land, water, minerals. But they are backward in South America. Because the market is, you can't succeed business-wise. El Salvador, Honduras, how will you succeed? You go from here, the border, they stop you. Barriers of border. So this is the same story here now. Our Watu, they are same people of East Africa, like in border.